How to fix the new notes feature not showing on Messenger, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Messenger has just released its new notes feature, which is similar to Instagram's. However, just like with any other new feature, not everyone does have it. Now, if you are one of the few unlucky ones that does not have this new feature, just like me right here, what can you do in order to get it? And can you even get this feature? Now, there is actually one thing that you can do, and that is to update your Messenger app to the latest version in your mobile app store. Now, if you do that and you still does not have this feature, then in fact there's nothing that you can do to get it except for waiting. You need to be patient, just like with any other um, new feature in any other app. The app will slowly start to roll out this feature to more and more creators, users, till everyone have this feature, and that's actually the only thing that we can do. So yeah, we don't have control over it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix the new notes feature if it's missing in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.